Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV. I'm Anna Kasatkina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is a combined analysis of the last week Forex and stock market trends.
What currencies showed the most prominent trend, Anna?
On Friday, the US dollar was reaching 3.5-year highs versus 6 majors basket.
So what caused such increase?
Mainly, it was expectations that the Feds will take steps to end the asset buying program. The American dollar was also pinned up by unexpectedly strong report on the US consumer sentiment. The US dollar index ICE was hitting a high of 84.37 points, having renewed the July 2010 levels and closed at 84.266 points. On Thursday, ICE index was trading at 83.758 and gained over 1.3% weekly. Such advance was partially supported by the euro rate decline, as GDP in France, Germany and in the Eurozone shrank in the first quarter. Another dollar indicator, WSJ, which reflects the greenback position versus a wider range of currencies, ascended to 75.83 from Thursday notch of 75.31. The dollar got supported by consumer confidence improvement in May. Index initially calculated by the University of Michigan and Thomson Reuters amounted to 83.7 points in the current month, having moved up from the April result of 76.4 points and exceeded the analytical expectations. On Thursday, the dollar was decreasing amid high number of initial jobless claims in the USA, amid mixed signals from the country's real estate market and worsening of sentiment in the industrial sector of Philadelphia in May. However, the US dollar started to climb when the FRS head of San Francisco, John Williams, stated that the Feds may as well cut the monthly size of asset purchases this summer already. The American dollar strengthened versus the Japanese yen to a high of 103.11 and crossed the mark of 103 yen for the first time since October of 2008. At the session close, the dollar cost 102.97 yen, which was higher than on Thursday, when the pair finished the day at 102.29 yen. And that's all I have about the currency trends of the last week.
Thank you for the currency market analysis.
You're welcome, Olga. What can you say about the stock market?
As for the American stock market, on Friday it was demonstrating rally.
Was it reasoned by the macroeconomic indicators?
Actually, by the economic reports of companies showing positive trends in the US economy. The shares of Autodesk fell by 6.7% when the developers of graphics software published a disappointing quarterly financial report. This appeared as the weakest result in the base of S&P 500 index on Friday. In the first quarter, the company's revenue narrowed by 30% due to negative currency fluctuations, which was reflected on the profits, and also because of the company's operational profit cut. In addition, Autodesk downgraded the forecast for the financial year by 3 percentage points, and now the net profit is to advance by mere 3%. Meanwhile, the shares of Advanced Micro Devices grew by 6.3%. The shares of the American integral electronics manufacturer have partially recovered after a plunge by 13% on Thursday, when the analysts of Goldman Sachs downgraded their recommendations for the shares from neutral to sell. Before the recommendations were cut, the upmove of AMD shares by 80% since the beginning of 2013 was registered. This is all I have about the stock market trends.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
You were watching a weekly review of Forex and stock markets on ИнстаФорекс TV
With Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Goodbye.
See you next week. Bye.